How to delete bounced contacts on System.io all-in-one platform. How to delete bounced contacts. In this video, you will learn how to delete bounced contacts. To get started, you will need a System.io account, a list of contacts, a contact with the bounced status, accessing your contacts. Navigate to the Contacts tab and click on contacts that appear just below. Number 1 in the image. Filtering bounced contacts. Click the Contact State checkbox. Number 2 in the image. And select Bounced from the list of options to filter the list. Number 3 in the image. After applying the filter, what you will be left with is a list of bounced contacts. Deleting bounced contacts. Select all contacts by clicking the circular button. Number 4 in the image. And click on a delete. Number 5 in the image. Finally, click confirm to delete the contacts from your list. Number 6 in the image. Did this answer your question? We do provide onboarding help if you join System.io with our affiliate link. http://tinural.com/review System.io. Find more details on https://help-system.io/article/627 how to delete bounced contacts.